calcium oxide powder ball pressing machine has the advantages of strong extrusion capacity, not easy to wear, long service life and so on, and the equipment can be normal for a long time, high speed and stable operation and so on. It is loved by the majority of users. All kinds of waste materials can be made into high-density pellets through forced supercharging, prepressing screw precision processing, which is widely used in metallurgy, chemical industry, oil, and refractory materials industry. During the pressing process, add adhesive and stir well with raw materials. Then through the roller extrusion, the calcium oxide powder pressing forming rate can be up to 100%. The machine can press a variety of shapes of pellets by pressing the ball mechanism for forming materials, energy saving, and environmental protection, easy to transport, can effectively improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.